Hey guys, this is Jeff with DIomgY. Been a little quiet. I know Brady put up a video about a crib today. Kind of different from what I'm doing, but very good video. I suggest you check it out. Anyway, Exocet wiring still continues, but it is getting there. You can see these things are starting to come together and be nice little wire bundles. So I have stripped out what I need to. It's really just a matter of putting it all together now. And there were a couple other things that I needed to do. I needed to add a flasher for the hazards, which I put right here. And it's just a simple toggle switch. It's not plugged in right now, but I also left the cigarette lighter plug in, and I put in this guy, which is a 12 volt and USB charger, and then I have my OBD2 port mounted over there. So nice and clean under here. You can see the wiring inside the cab is relatively mellow. That's all underneath the steering column, and then that's it. There's really nothing over here. That's all clean. Everything else comes through the tray. So slowly but surely getting there. Stay tuned. Cars and coffee and the first autocross events of the season are coming, so this thing will be roadworthy soon.